Hello guys. Hello. I love this part here. I don't know. My name is Nelly. If you're seeing me for the first time, babe, guys, in fact, you are in the right place. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. Thank you for being a family. And if, like I said, you're a new subscriber, if you're tuning in for the first time, consider subscribing because I'm here to feed you with interesting hairstyles that will blow your mind. Okay, so this is me trying to make a beautiful hair on my head. Is an old cornrow that I had. I just thought I should do this before I take it down. So I actually used one pack of extension. I cut it into three. I pulled it so that I can achieve a beautiful edge, and then I'm crocheting it to my cornrow. Okay, so just keep watching. I'll be skipping some steps, I'll be skipping the clip for some parts because I don't want this video to be too long, and I'm sure you will like what you see at the end of the day. So sit back and just watch me do this for you, just to entertain you, just to teach you one or two. I know you are a guru, I know you are good with hair, but I know one or two things you will learn from this video. So keep watching. Okay, so this is me. I'm crocheting the extension. I actually did this in one day, not even just few hours, and not up to 2 hours safe, and I was done. So it's something you can do. So I actually made sure I took my time to crochet the hair, and for after finishing this hair, the crochet parts, I actually rocked this for one day, like 24 hours, and then the next day I box braid the extension in a tight way so that by the time I dip it in hot water, I'll achieve the curls that I really have in mind. Okay, so this is me. I actually did not video the part where I was putting it in hot water because I couldn't even stand doing that. I don't want my skin to get burnt. Yeah, so after putting it in hot water, I allow it to dry up. If you have a dryer, you can maybe go into the dryer to make things faster for you, but for me, I left it to dry up on its own. If you have something like gel, you can rub it on it to make the curls stay stronger. And this is me. I just can't overemphasize how I love this hair. Oh god, people kept on asking me, how did you do this? Is this a weave on? What's the name of your weave on? I'm like, hello, this is not a weave on. It's actually extension attachments that I turned into a weave on. Yeah. So I'm actually just trying to play around the hair, trying to feeling like the boss that I am. Let me not miss that part, because in fact, when I was on this hair, I was so happy. I was happy, I was proud, like, yeah, I achieved what I wanted. So here I am trying to open up the extension so that it will cover every part, so that my cornrow doesn't show or the scalp of my hair doesn't show. It's only where I have the part here in front that should show. Other parts, I don't know. Yeah, so with this hair, I was able to pack or style it in a different ways. I did different hairstyles, different styling with this hair, and so it gave me different looks. So here I am trying to do, I don't even know what I'm doing, but I know I'm doing something. I know I'm just trying to pack the hair in different styles. Yeah, so you better consider trying this, because in this period, we need money. So try and do this. You can decide to do it on a wig cap. Yeah, so that whenever you feel like, hey, I want to rock this thing, I will carry it and I will put it on my head, and there we go. Yeah, hula. So if you have not clicked the subscribe button, come, I don't know what you're waiting for. See, just hit that button as I'm talking to. In fact, whether you like it or not, subscribe. Okay. Yeah. Oh, good. I shall know that this hair, I'm going to do it again. Maybe not on my hair this time around, but I will probably do it on a wig cap so that I can always pick it up, and with my cornrow, I'll just put it on and zoom off. So please, like I said earlier, consider clicking the subscribe button. If you know that there is one or two things I didn't do correctly in the process of making this hair, why not tell me in the comment section? I really love to hear from you. What do you think? What you suggest? Just tell me something. In fact, just tell me something. Yeah, because you are now my people. Guys, see you in my next video. Stay safe and be cool.